What is up guys, my name is Level Up Tech and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the number one and really only problem I have with the iPhone 12. It's going to be short and sweet, so let's get right into it. So this problem that I have with the iPhone 12 is its repairability. You can go in the phone, you can take off the display, you can change out the parts and everything, but then when you try to boot the phone on, sometimes when you hold the power button, the phone won't even turn on, so you are forced to put the charger in and force the phone to turn on. Then once you finally do get into the phone, you'll find out that there are a few features that are disabled. Things like the camera, Face ID, and some other features of the iPhone will no longer be available. If you were to go back into your phone, take out the parts you just replaced and put the original parts back in, you'll find out that you can turn the phone on perfectly fine and you'll have all the features back on the iPhone. Apple hasn't directly come out and said that they're basically preventing repairs on iPhones, but it's pretty clear. When you put in other parts other than the original parts that came with the phone, Apple is disabling certain features of the phone so that you essentially can't repair your phone without giving something up. This is a big problem for me because a few years down the line, when Apple no longer supports the phone, you won't be able to repair it at all. This is obviously a big problem for a lot of people, and Apple should give us the freedom to repair our phones. So that is my number one problem, and the only problem really with the iPhone 12. A lot of the information I got for this video is from Jeffrey Hughes. If you want to check out his video, I will leave the link in the description. It's a lot more in-depth and he goes into it a lot more than I did. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.